You're missing this location. The school is just around the corner. Now you've got all the terra firma down the front with 2 access ways rolling down the sides of the property, and you adjoin the reserve and views of the city, and it faces north. Hello. At 550,000 out of it now. Thank you to the gentleman in his kitchen. I'll tell you what, if you're putting a gourmet one in on the climb, what's at 5.5? 570. Thank you. Good luck in the race. At 570,000 out of it now. So there's... Sorry?
580.
580. Okay, we'll roll the little 10s at 580,000. What about... I haven't even spoken about the deck, right? Perched out there. Would you guys like to have a little flurry?
590.
590. Okay, puts 3 in at this stage at 590,000. You got a 6? Well, you kind of got the fella out back first, but that's okay. It's 600 for the gentleman here, 610. That's the next rung on the ladder. You give it. I like this. 610. That's kind of cool. At 610. Can we have a chat before? You guys haven't even made a play yet. Get in there. At 630. I need 640,000. That's what I'm chasing down here. No.
Too low.
Oh, wait.
For Christmas. 640, guys.
5.
Okay, 635, you got me started, so why not? Always favour those that get it underway at 635 of it now. Guys, I'll just get straight to 650. 650 is my suggestion. Yes? Maybe? I've got no idea what you're saying. It's okay, you don't have to whisper. I speak 2 languages, English and profanity, but you won't hear one of them today. Edward, what'd they say? Silly tie? I don't know. Right, team, let's have a conversation. To everyone else, hold tight, help yourself to the lollies, because the kids are going to get them anyway. I'll be back here very soon. Thank you. On the market, out she goes and she sells at 700,000. Now, Reese, the bid, is there a little 5.5? I don't know why he's on the telephone, he ain't got an authority. Trace the money at 700,000 out of it now. Got to ask. But thank you. Team, lovely to see you guys again. No? Right out, 700,000. Will you list with Team Universal Edward? You do it again, Chief. It is going, 700,000. It is sold to you good people. Well done.